First, open the Start menu, type ncpa.cpl, and open it. When the Network Connections window appears, disable and then re-enable your network adapter. If that doesn't work, try the second method. Open the Start menu, type keymad, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following two commands one by one. netsh int IP reset, ipconfig /flushdns. After running both commands, restart your PC. For the third method, again open the Start menu, type ncpa.cpl, and open it. Right-click your network adapter, choose Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following DNS numbers. Finally, for the fourth method, open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Locate Network Adapters, right-click your adapter, and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Hopefully, one of these methods solves the problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.